Kasian kasian
Hello guys, my name is Eko Wahinugroho. I'm from 12 Science 1. Today I will present about discussion text. The discussion text have some parts, that is definition, generic structure, purpose, language feature, and example. What is discussion text? Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre used to present at least two points of view about an issue. The generic structure of a discussion text. Number one is issue, content of a statement and preview about something. Number two, arguments. In argument have a two part. In the first part is argument for or supporting argument. Present the argument to support that one point is agreeing. In the second part is arguments against beside the supporting arguments. The discussion text need the argument which disagree to the state issue. And the last structure of the discussion text is conclusion. It used to tell how to solve or conclude issue by concerning the arguments for and against. Purpose. The purpose of a discussion text is to present two points of view about issue or problem, and to present arguments from differing points of view about issue or problem. Language feature. In discussion text have some language feature. First, introducing category or generic participant, using thinking verb, feel, hope, believe, etc. Using contractive conjunction, however, on the other hand, but, in other side, although, etc., using modalities, must, should, could, may, etc., using adverbial of manner, deliberately, hopefully, etc., and simple present. Example of discussion text. I chose the nuclear energy issue. Nuclear energy is commonly offered as an alternative to overcome the crisis of energy. The debate whether the use of nuclear energy is an appropriate choice or not has not come to an end. Some people agree with the utilization of it because of its benefits. Some others, however, disagree because of its risks to the environment. Argument pro. Those who agree with the operation of nuclear reactor usually argue that nuclear energy is the only feasible choice to answer the ever-increasing energy needs. In their opinion, the other sources of energy, oil, coal, and liquid natural gas, are not renewable and safe, while the nuclear energy can be sustainable when produced in a safe way. Argument against. However, people who disagree with the use of nuclear energy points out that the use of nuclear product can completely destroy the environment and human life. A meltdown in reactor, for example, usually result in the contamination of the surrounding soil and water. Take for example, the blow-up of the nuclear reactor at the Chernobyl nuclear power station in Russia 20 years ago. The serious contamination imperiled people and the environment severely. The conclusion. It is obvious that nuclear energy should be avoided because it really endangers the environment, but what about a less polluted energy instead of nuclear energy? Is there any alternative energy to overcome the crisis of energy? In my opinion, nuclear energy is the best choice to overcome the crisis of energy. However, government should make sure that nuclear reactors construction and maintenance are safe. Okay, guys, that is my presentation about discussion text. Thank you for attention.